Hello, dear students. I am going to make its summarization of unit number first. It is easy for you in future for reading as well as analyze the story. It helps a lot to write a question and answers which is given below at the end of the chapter. Let's see if we look at the title, the beggar. When we ask to someone else, we used to say, I beg your pardon. It means to excuse to someone else, to begging, to demand something from others without any work, without any hard work. We have observed number of things at the bus stand, railway station, or religious places. We found number of beggars. They are begging money for their existence, for survival. But here, Antonio Checo is known as a dramatist as well as short story writer. He has written number of plays and 800 short stories. He belongs to Russia. Let's see about the author. His full name is Antonio Pavlyuchev, who born 1860 and died in 1904. He is a pioneer of modern short story and drama. Was born in the city of Taganrog in southern Russia. Chekhov had humble beginnings. His father was a grocer and his grandfather was a serf. It is a background of his family. He studied medicine at Moscow University and wrote stories and sketches to support his family financially. If financially background is not well, then each and every person has to support their family. His first collection, Multi Stories 1886, was well received and it was followed by two more collections. Number 1, At Twilight 1887 and Stories 1888. Beginning with the Seagull in 1898, Chekhov established himself as a dramatist through his association with the Moscow Art Theatre, later Uncle Vanya 1899, The Three Sisters 1901, and The Cherry Orchard 1904 had a great impact on modern European drama. Chekhov wrote nearly 800 short stories that illustrate his gift as a writer of short fiction, and the present selection is one such a story. So, this is the background of author writer. Let's see what is the exactly text is here. It is a story. What is the theme of this particular story about the text? Completed in 1887, this story explores themes of struggle, kindness, compassion, and alcoholism. This story is depend on struggle, kindness, compassion, and alcoholism. Chekhov presents the story of a beggar who lies about his identity in order to extract money from a lawyer. but ends up confessing to him instead. It follows the turn his life takes as he comes to work for the lawyer, comes into contact with his cook Olga, and finally learns to take charge of his life. As his third person narrator, Cheku tells his story simply as an observer and lets his characters' words and actions reveal their personalities and motivation. This is the about the story. I would also like to give its little bit summarization. There are three characters playing a vital role in this particular short story. The story title is The Beggar. If we look at this particular title, beggar something demanding from others. Already I have mentioned three characters are playing vital role. That is, first one is Scorso, a Petersburg lawyer. Second character is Lashko, who had hide his identity at initially, and lastly he disclosed it. A third character name is Olga. These characters interwoven the story called The Beggar. Let's see what has been exactly taken place in this story. One day, Scorso, a Petersburg lawyer, came across to a person who is demanding something else. He begging and he expressing himself, please give me a something. I am hungry person. I have not tasted food for 3 days. I have not a 5 kopeck piece for a night's lodging. I swear by God, for 5 years I was a village schoolmaster and lost my post through the intrigues of the Zemestro. I was the victim of false witness. I have been out of place for a year now. It is a description of that beggar. But another character, that is a Scorso, a Petersburg lawyer, looked at the speaker's tattered dark blue overcoat, at his muddy drunken eyes, at the red patches on his cheeks, and it seems to him that he had seen the man before, and now I am offered a post in the Kaluga province, the beggar continued, but I have not means for the journey there. Graciously help me. I am ashamed to ask, but I am compelled by circumstances. So this is a story about the that beggar who is begging from lawyer, but lawyer already recognized him, already met him before, but he insisted on that I need money as well as shelter. I don't have sufficient money in my pocket, and I was a schoolmaster. Therefore, it was intrigue of the semester, and therefore I have give up the job. I am not professionally beggar, but circumstances has come to become a beggar. So here something is wrong with the that beggar, and lawyer has been recognized the beggar, but he insists on I want something. I am not before met you. But here lawyer found that person is not speaking true. He is a liar. That's why I am not going to help you. you are healthy, wealthy, you have good fitness, then why you are not working anywhere else? Then he answered, I don't get any work anywhere else, so therefore I am begging to you something. But fortunately, that person who had helped him remembered those days. Already he mentioned, I was student and expelled by the schoolmaster. It is something is wrong with the character. But this lawyer has been asked him, you should come with me and I will give you a work of chopping a wood. He is ready to come with him. He observed that the beggar is not well, he is something doing intrigues with us and he is liar. So he came with that beggar and asked to Olga. Olga is another character who is working as a cook at the home of lawyer. The lawyer has given an axe to beggar and asked him to chop the wood. It was the time of winter season and therefore it is too difficult to chop the wood. But after some time he came to lawyer and asked, I did this work for you, I chopped the wood, and he offered some amount for his work. And the lawyer asked him, you should come every first day of month and I will ask to chop the woods. It comes twice or thrice he had come for 3 to 5 months. And then the lawyer asked him, do you able to write anything else? Then he replied, yes, I can do it. The lawyer has given a reference of his colleague and give a job of something writing. One day both came across the theater and lawyer found the beggar was in the queue who has come for watching the movie. And he was surprised, he was happy due to he is very well off now. And lawyer asked him, what are you doing nowadays? He told that I am working with the notary office and I earn every month 32 rubber. So it is a very interesting story. It is a happy end. But here the turn or the twist has been taken place here. What was the twist? The Olga, who is working in the house of lawyer as a cook, the beggar did not chop the single piece of wood, and he confessed here, I didn't do it. It was done by your cook called Olga. She chopped wood for me and she had given a motivation to me. You should give up a drink as well as you should become a good person in your life. This is a very interesting story of Antonin Chekhov. It was a turn. We recognize that it is a very interesting story. At last of the story, the turn has been taken place here. The reader has recognized the story is very interesting. Thank you.